Ano nga ba ang putong?
Ito po kami.
Aklat-aklat para sa lahat. Buksan ang isipan yung mga matay imulat. Halina, dali na magbasa kita. Ang tanan nga aklat ay para sa lahat. Kada sugilanon kag mga istorya ay may dala-dalang hiwaga. Di sa makakata-kata ay may taglay na mahika. Wag na wag kaliligtaan, mga ingod adi kasunguan. Ibibigay ang iyong hinihiling, sa aklat nito'y mararating. Aklat-aklat para sa lahat. Buksan ang isipan yung mga matay imulat. Halina, dali na magbasa kita. Ang tanan nga aklat ay para sa lahat. Mapaaghaman o kasaysayan, panitika teknolohiya, pagka-Lorenzo natawan, sa pagbabasa'y tiyak makakamtan. Mangted nga saya at nga saririt, naghahatagin inspirasyon. Hinuhubog ang kaisipan, karon ugma og hangtod sa kahangturan. Aklat-aklat para sa lahat. Buksan ang isipan yung mga matay imula.
Good day everyone, my name is JC Manggubat and
I am Cheryl Mascareñas.
and we are under Bachelor of Arts in Communication 2A. Today we're going to discuss about our study titled Sustaining Tubong, the role of present and future generation on its conservation and preservation. Our study seeks to examine how both the current and future generations shape the preservation and sustainability of this cultural practice. It is rooted in the intersection of three of the most impactful Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs. The study highlights the importance of cultural heritage and sustainable community development, making putong a vital element of Marinduque's cultural identity.
So basically, this study highlights how the preservation and conservation of putong in Marinduque can ensure sustainability for both present and future generations, contributing significantly to SDG 4, which is the quality education, SDG 11, the sustainable cities and communities, and SDG 16, which is the strengthening of cultural institutions. The realization of these interlinked SDGs underscores the importance of safeguarding cultures like putong, ensuring that Marinduque's rich cultural heritage continues to thrive and alive for many years to come.
What particular SDGs do you think relates to your study?
The particular SDGs that can relate to our study are SDG 4, 11, and 16. Firstly, SDG 4 Quality Education advocates for inclusive, equitable, and quality education, which is essential to the perpetuation of cultural practices across generations, educating the people of Marinduque, especially the youth, about the significance of putong and equipping them to pass on this knowledge ensures that these traditions are not forgotten. Quality education about cultural heritage empowers individuals to take an action role to preserve and promoting their identity, anchoring the tradition firmly within the lives of the community. Secondly, SDG 11, or Sustainable Cities and Communities, link the establishment of inclusive, secure, resilient, and sustainable communities in Marinduque. Preserving putong fosters a sense of belonging and strengthens the community's cultural roots. This preservation cultivates respect to cultural heritage while promoting social cohesion and endurance. A resilient community like that of Marinduque ensures that practices are not only maintained but also adapted to the evolving demands of the modern world.
Thirdly, SDG 16, Peace, Justice, and Strong Institution emphasize building exclusive and accountable institutions. The preservation of Putong in Marinduque strengthens the cultural fabric of community and highlights the importance of recognizing and valuing indigenous practices. Institutionalizing cultural protection ensures that heritage conservation remains a sustained priority, fostering peace, justice, and unity within the province.
Since the February Arts Month is approaching, how will you use this event as a platform to preserve and conserve Putong in Marinduque?
February Arts Month provides a great platform to showcase Putong through performances, workshop, and exhibit, raising awareness, engaging the community in its preservation and conservation. This celebration can also serve as an opportunity to document Putong tradition and promote its inclusion in local arts and culture initiatives, ensuring its continuity for future generations.
As a group of students and along with the context of role of present and future generations, who has this study which upholds the sustainment of Putong, what will be the future plans to continue this?
Some of the future plans include integrating Putong into formal and informal education, fostering community engagement through events such as February Arts Talk and cultural groups, and strengthening institutional support through local ordinances and partnerships to ensure its sustainability and promote it as a local tourism asset.
Aklat para sa lahat, buksan ang isipan, yung mga matay imulat. Halina, dali na magbasa kita, ang tanan nga aklat ay para sa lahat. Kada sugilanon kag mga istorya ay may dala-dalang hiwaga. Kisa makakata-kata ay may taglay na mahika. Wag na wag kaliligtaan, mga ingod adi kasunguan. Ibibigay ang iyong hinihiling, sa aklat ito'y mararating. Aklat-aklat para sa lahat, buksan ang isipan, yung mga matay imulat. Halina, dali na magbasa kita, ang tanan nga aklat ay para sa lahat. Mapaaghaman o kasaysayan, panitika, teknolohiya, Pagka Lorenzo natawan, sa pagbabasa'y tiyak makakamtan. Mangted nga saya at nga saririt, naghahatagin inspirasyon. Hinuhubog ang kaisipan, karon ugma og hangtod sa kahangturan. Aklat-aklat para sa lahat, buksan ang isipan, yung mga matay imulat. Halina, dali na magbasa kita, ang tanan nga aklat ay para sa lahat. Sa daigdig ng karunungan, magniningning ang kinabukasan. Sa pagbasa may pag-asa, di lang aliw ang dala, susi ng bagong umaga. Aklat-aklat para sa lahat, buksan ang isipan, yung mga matay imulat. Halina, dali na, magbasa kita. Ang tanan nga aklat ay para sa lahat. Marpot, Luzon, pa Visayas, Inganan, Mindanao, ang tanan nga aklat ay para sa lahat. Halina, dali na, magbasa kita. Ang tanan nga aklat ay para sa lahat. Ang tanan nga aklat ay para sa lahat.
The significance of Tubong, honoring tradition and community in Marinduque.
To begin with, Tubong is a traditional ceremony that deeply rooted on our values in community, cooperation, and cultural heritage. So this practice serves as a picture's key or a representation of hospitality and gratitude, which reinforcing social bonds and illustrating the warmth of the Marinduqueños. By embracing Tubong, we're not only preserving local traditions, but also we enhance a sense of belonging and identity among the community members, which enriching their lives and fostering communal harmony. The February Art Talk serves as a vital platform to promote awareness and appreciation of cultural practices like Tubong. So this event brings together with the artists, educators, and community leaders, allowing for meaningful discussions about the importance of recognizing and celebrating cultural heritage in the face of globalization. And engaging with these traditions, which help us understand their vital role in sustainability development, emphasizing that preserving cultural practices can lead to a more inclusive and equitable society.
First question is, what is Tubong and how does it reflect the traditions and values of the Marinduque community? The next question I would like to ask is, in what ways can Tubong practices be incorporated into contemporary art and educational programs to sustain its relevance? Another question that I would like to ask is, how can the February Art Talks help raise awareness of the cultural significance of Tubong and engage the youth in its preservation? And lastly, what role does education play in promoting traditional practices like Tubong, and how can we align it with SDG number 4 for quality education?
Tubong is a traditional welcome rituals in Marinduque that shows respect, hospitality, and blessings for the guests. Also, it reflects the community's strong sense of unity and kindness, and also cultural pride.
Tubong can be included in modern art through performances, music, and visual arts, and in schools through lessons and activities that teach its meaning and its importance.
The February Art Talks can introduce Tubong to more people, especially the youth, by showcasing its history, performances, and role in Marinduque's culture.
Education helps preserve traditions like Tubong by teaching students about their culture. It connects with SDG number 4, or quality education, by ensuring that cultural heritage is part of learning and awareness.
So, Tubong and Putong is not just a practice. It is a way of life that fosters cooperation within a community and its members. It is essential that during these times of the month, especially during events like this, like the February Arts Talks, that we use these specific types of platforms in order to advocate, to save, to preserve, and to honor these types of traditions.
Aklat para sa lahat, buksan ang isipan yung mga matay imulat. Halina, dali na magbasa kita, ang tanan nga aklat ay para sa lahat. Kada sugilanon kag mga istorya ay may dala-dalang hiwaga. Sa makakata-kata ay may taglay na mahika. Wag na wag kaliligtaan, mga ingod adi kasunguan. Ibibigay ang iyong hinihiling, sa aklat nito'y mararating. Aklat-aklat para sa lahat, buksan ang isip.
Cultural traditions are the heart and soul of a community, shaping its identity and connecting generations through shared practices. But in a rapidly modernizing world, many traditions are at risk of fading away. One of these is Tubong, a cherished Filipino tradition deeply rooted in faith, unity, and cultural heritage. Welcome to this special discussion on the future of Tubong, the responsibility of today's youth in preserving cultural traditions. In this video, we will explore the significance of Tubong, the challenges it faces in today's society, and most importantly, the role of the youth in ensuring that this tradition continues to thrive for future generations. What role do young people play in the preservation of traditional Tubong practices in their communities?
Young people play a vital role in preserving traditional Tubong practices in their communities. They are the ones who will carry on the tradition and cultural heritage of their ancestors. They can organize activities and projects to promote and preserve Tubong in their communities.
How can technology be leveraged by the youth to promote and preserve Tubong cultural heritage?
Technology can help the youth promote and preserve Tubong by using social media to share performances. Digital archives to document its history, and live streaming to reach a wider audience. Educational apps, VR and AR experiences, and online campaigns can make learning about Tubong. Tubong more interactive and engaging, ensuring its relevance for the future generation.
What challenges do today's youth face in their efforts to maintain cultural traditions like Tubong, and how can they overcome these challenges?
Today's youth face challenges such as lack of time, changing interests, and lack of support from elders. To overcome these challenges, youth can organize activities and projects related to Tubong, seek support from elders and organizations, and use technology to promote Tubong to a wider audience.
In what ways can education systems incorporate the importance of cultural traditions such as Tubong into their curricula to encourage youth participation?
Education systems can incorporate Tubong by integrating it into history and art subjects, organizing cultural workshops, and encouraging student performances. Schools can also use digital media, field trips, and community collaborations to make learning interactive and engaging, fostering a deeper appreciation for cultural traditions.
Aklat-aklat para sa lahat, buksan ang isipan yung mga matay imulat. Halina, dali na magbasa kita, ang tanan nga aklat ay para sa lahat. Tasugilanon tag mga istorya ay may dala-dalang hiwaga. Kisa makakata-kata ay may taglay na mahika. Wag na wag kaliligtaan, mga ingod adi kasunguan. Ibibigay ang iyong hinihiling, sa aklat nito'y mararat. Mapaaghaman o kasaysayan, panitika teknolohiya. Pagka Lorenzo natawan, sa pagbabasa'y tiyak makakamtan. Mangted na saya at nga sa dirit, naghahatagin inspirasyon. Hinuhubog ang kaisipan, karon ugma og hangtod sa kahangturan. Aklat-aklat para sa lahat, buksan ang isipan yung mga matay imulat. Halina, dali na magbasa kita, ang tanan nga aklat ay para sa lahat.
Ano nga ba ang